What's up, conscious breathers and infinite beings alike? So let's take a bike ride and have a little chat. So now we're starting to see a huge case that's going on in federal court, of all places, federal court, about the dangers of fluoride. And fluoride was used in the Nazi era on the Jews to kill the Jews. It was one of the harmful chemicals used on the innocent Jews back in Nazi Germany. And now most people are finally waking up to the fact that the quote-unquote conspiracy theorists were right all along. And now we have this huge case course, this huge court case. It's finally coming to light that, all this time it's, regardless of that, there's many different cases of where fluoride is definitely harmful for the body. Many cases. I look at toothpaste as an agent. It's another version of cigarettes, really. It's just a legalized chemical weapon in America. It's another legal chemical in America, that's all. So if they win this case, I think it's going to be huge for a shift that's already taken place at a massive rate. It's like source energy is like pulling everything all at once. And in the Ethiopian calendar, it's actually 2012. And it really feels like 2012, doesn't it? And if you guys are familiar with the movie V for Vendetta, and apparently that movie is taking place in quote-unquote 2020. Here we are. It's all happening. All at once. Predictive programming, that's one. And the times of revelations, it's all coming to fruition. It's all coming to fruition. So, again, it's the best time to cleanse yourself within this quote-unquote matrix. It's the best time to be the best version of you. Don't get lost in the negativity at all. Because if you get lost in the negativity, you get lost in the sauce. And when you're lost in the sauce, it's a real thick substance to get out of. There's light in every situation. No matter how bad the situation is, there's light in every situation. And that's a huge conflict that we have as spiritual beings as a whole. They push negativity as much as possible. So when you get past that, you start to see more of the humanity that we all have the potential for. We all do. So this whole fluoride case, the energy of life thriving, however you perceive it, it's knocking at our door. It's really, really time to wake up. The awakening is here. The awakening is here, and the energy is magnificent if you can tap into it. It's magnificent, it's powerful, it's beautiful, it's lovely. are blessed to be alive at this time. For real. We are truly blessed to be alive at this time. And if you're watching this video, there's no such thing as coincidence. No such thing. If you're starting to see more synchronicities more than ever, wake up. Wake up. It's really time to wake up. The source energy that brought us here, the spirit within you just wants to thrive for harmony. If it wanted chaos, you probably wouldn't be in the body you are in right now. You know, everyone deserves inner peace. Inner peace is more powerful than you can ever imagine. You know, being at the table when I used to live in Cali, you know, my thing was, you have all these people with so much power and influence on the world. In my head, I'm like, they just probably got bored of having inner peace. And then it's really the whole story of the fall of man. It really is, but that's another topic. I don't want to go too deep in that topic, but I thank you all for sharing the breath. Peace.
Wholeness. I'm just coming out of a session with Devon, and it was very powerful. Wow. I can definitely feel the vibrations to my body, because when you reach certain level of oxygenation in your body, then you start to feel the vibrations. Literally, your body starts to vibrate, and you feel alive. You feel that energy going through all your body. You feel the warmth. It's so powerful. I just woke up and I'm like full of energy. Feel so awake and so alive. I recommend everybody just do the sessions that Devon offers. It's truly amazing. Wholeness.